So I found an AI tool that builds full cinematic animations from a single prompt. And I'm not talking about generic AI video that spits out random clips. This one acts like a full animation studio inside your browser, powered by Seedance 2.0 with a team of AI agents that handle every single step for you. It's called OiiOii.ai, and what you're about to see I made in minutes with 2 sentences of input. Stick around. Most AI video tools today feel like a black box. You throw in a prompt, cross your fingers and hope it comes out right. Forgot to mention something? Too bad, pay another $5, try again. OiiOii flips that on its head. Instead of one model trying to do everything, it uses a multi-agent system built specifically for animation. Think of it as 7 AI professionals working together for you. An art director, a scriptwriter, a character designer, an environment designer, a storyboard artist, a sound director, all collaborating in one automated pipeline, with Seedance 2.0 doing the heavy video generation under the hood. You bring the idea, they build the studio around it. Today's project, a 1-minute warm educational animation for kids. A grandfather, who's a beekeeper, teaches his grandson what a bee family is made of, the queen, the worker bees, the drones, and how they make honey. Why this niche? Faceless educational kids channel are one of the most stable corners of the YouTube right now. Storybook explainers, animated science clips, narrated lessons. The catch used to be that you need an animator, a writer, weeks of work just for 1 minute of finished content. With this, you build a full episode in minutes. Honestly, if you've been sitting on a faceless channel idea, it's never been this easy to actually launch it. You start simple, a theme, a short prompt, or even a single reference image. This is the whole pitch of OiiOii. No prompt engineering. You write your idea in regular words, the way you'd describe it to a friend. So I'm typing this. Create 1-minute warm educational animation for children. A grandfather who is a beekeeper explains to his grandchild what a bee family is made of, the queen bee, worker bees and drones, and how bees make honey. 2 sentences, that's it, hit send. Before anything generates, the first agent shows up, the art director, and watch what it does. It starts asking smart questions instead of guessing. Duration, aspect ratio, vertical for shorts or horizontal, dialogue language. I'm picking short animation, 16:9 horizontal, English. Then comes the style picker. OiiOii has a whole gallery of animation presets, over 100 and completely different visual languages. You can go full Naruto anime, a Minecraft blocky vibe, whatever fits your story. I'm going with 3D chibi, soft rounded picture book feel, perfect for kids. After that, the art director extracts mood keywords for the emotional tone. For mine, it gives me 5 options: healing, gentle, blooming, youth, peace, with a random bottom if I can decide. I picked gentle, felt right for a grandfather-grandson story about something delicate. This is where OiiOii starts to feel really different from generic AI video. It's not just creating visuals, it's dialing in a specific atmosphere before a single frame gets rendered. Once mood and style are locked in, the art director hands off to the scriptwriter. It generates a full script based on the prompt and direction. Real script with dialogue between the grandfather and the grandson, bit by bit. The grandfather leaves a hive lead, the grandson asks who the biggest bee is, the grandfather explains the queen, and so on. If I don't like something, I can ask for a rewrite or edit the text directly. That's the thing about this system. You get the speed of AI with the control of manual editing. It doesn't force you to pick one or the other. When the script's ready, the character designers takes over. And this part is kind of wild for anyone who's ever tried to draw consistent characters. It generates a full set of 5 roles for this project. The grandfather, the grandson, the queen bee, the worker bee, and the drone. Each one comes with a complete character sheet. Front view, side view, expressions, action poses, color palette, even outfit variations. All in 3D chibi style, all visually consistent with each other. And here's the key thing if you want to build a real channel. This same character stays locked across every future episode. The grandfather and the grandson here could anchor a whole series. About ants, about seasons, about planets. You're building a brand, not one of clips. Next up, the environment design. This one handles the world. For our story, it builds the sunny garden apiary, the bee yard where everything happens. Multi-view renders, front, side, top, down. So when the camera moves around in the final video, the scene stays consistent from every angle. After environment design, the storyboard artist agent takes everything we've built and creates the actual storyboards. 6 panels, each with its own image, dialogue line and short description. This is where I confirm the video settings. Seedance 2.2, 720p, 16:9 horizontal. There's also a grid image option for tighter shot-by-shot control, which I picked. From there, the agent writes the prompt for each shot, called Seedance 2.0, and the video gets built panel by panel. All the individual shots get merged automatically into one finished piece. No timeline wrestling. Last step, the sound director. It reads the story, designs the music prompt, and generates the soundtrack through Suno, mixed automatically into final video. Lands the tone perfectly. Alright, let's see what came out.
Grandpa, are they all friends?
Even better, little one. They are a family. And just like our family, everyone here has a special job to do. Do you see her? The biggest one? That is the queen bee. She is the mother of the whole hive. Her only job is to lay eggs and keep the family growing.
And who are all the busy ones running around?
Those are the worker bees. They are all sisters. They are the hardest workers. They clean the house, feed the babies, and fly far away to drink sweet nectar from the flowers.
What about the brothers?
Ah, the drones. The brothers are a bit lazy. They don't have stingers and they don't gather food. Their only job is to help the queen make sure the family stays strong.
But Grandpa, how do they make the honey?
When the worker sisters bring the flower nectar back, it is very watery. So they put it in these little wax cups and flap their tiny wings super fast. The wind from their wings dries the nectar until it becomes thick, sticky, and sweet. They work together to make this magical golden syrup. Try it.
It tastes like sunshine and flowers. Thank you, little bees. Oi!
Look at that. Honestly, I'm impressed. The information is accurate. Queen, workers, drones, the honey making process, factually right and age appropriate for the 3 to 8 crowd. The pacing works, the music fits the tone.
Wow.
At the end, the grandson tastes the honey and thanks the bees, which is the kind of warm closing moment I actually want the kids landing on. And here's the real test. I showed this to my daughter. Kids don't fake it. She saw through the whole thing, then asked to watch it again. That's when I knew this wasn't just a slick tech demo. It actually works on the audience it was built for. Tell me what you think in the comments. Honest feedback. Did the characters land for you? Was the explanation clear? I read every reply. If you're thinking about starting a faceless animated channel, there's never been a better moment. The whole production pipeline used to be the bottleneck. Writer, designer, animators, editors, week per episode. Now, one person, one prompt, full episode. That's the whole shit. If you want to try OiiOii, my exclusive link is in the description. Use it and you get 200 free credits at registration, double the standard amount. Upgrade after that and you get an extra 40 to 4000 bonus credits depending on the plan. Now what should I animate next? Drop your idea in the comments. Whatever idea gets the most love, that's the next episode. I'm reading every comment. See you in the next one.